Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create one of my favorite things on Canva, YouTube thumbnails. So you can see that this is what I really try to do for a living. Okay, so this is I really create simple thumbnails, but if you want to be more detailed, here is how. So the first thing you have to do is there are two ways. You can just search for the YouTube to not waste anybody's time. You can search for it here or just click for it, click on it. In fact, I think it's the most popular thing on Canva. I think that's what most people use to create their thumbnail. So click on it and wait for the page to load. Well, I'm in Nigeria, so I have a lot of usually have network issues from time to time. So once the page is, oh my god, just load, please. Oh god, I'm really sorry for these guys. Okay, so to edit you can choose a template from here. Click on elements, I'm sorry, rather design. Click on design and you see relevant templates. Now you can search for it here. You can search on this on the search bar for what's for your niche. So let's say I'm in the football niche and I want to compare maybe I'll say Ronaldo, Messi. Let me just click on football. Let's see what it brings for us. Football. Let's see the kind of thumbnails it will bring. Okay, soccer, good, amazing. This is just beautiful. So I can click on this, select this, and I'll see more. So this is just beautiful. So if you want to do something like this, you already know how to do it, and now it's just to customize all through. So you can change the picture, you can put a player of your choice, you can change the scores, you can change um the clubs or the countries playing, and once you're done you can send or download it to your file, to your system. On the down, you can click on download and choose the appropriate source and then download it. So you can also create different thumbnails of your choice. All you have to know how to do is to search for them on the top search bar here, and you are as good as the next person using Adobe Media. Well, you may not. Please let me know. I think this is okay for this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.